Bradco State without serious backup.
It's okay, Pete.
The police tried to enforce the first curfew in the history, but that didn't go down too well. Tensions have reached boiling point, and Eastern Underworld is on the brink of an all-out war. And I'm about to find myself right in...
Edward, all I need you to do...
Watch the car, keep it running. You can trust me, all right? I promise.
No, I know.
У меня назначена встреча, чтобы посмотреть бриллиантовый...
Speak English?
Впустите меня, или я перенесу свое дело в другую...
Must be this Russian lady that's got an appointment to buy a ring. It's half an hour early, though.
She on her own?
Yeah?
Was there?
You can come in.
The door.
Откройте дверь, пожалуйста.
Out loud.
Can't you just push the door? Ready? Go.
Fucking hell. Look at the size of this bad boy. Fuck.
Do you speak English? Oh, there, you got a book.
Drop the fucking gun.
2 seconds.
What?
Everybody down on the floor!
I need backup. Now!
Okay, mate.
Yeah, just give me a second, mate, yeah?
Get up! Over there! Get in the corner! Get on your knees! Go! Look around!
You can't know who owns this place. You wouldn't be here. You're insane.
Move it, or I'll have it clamped. I said just give me a fucking minute!
You all right, mate?
Open it.
Target set. Keep your head down and nobody gets hurt. Face the wall.
Sorry, sweetheart.
Naughty, naughty.
Wildcat!
Good.
100 grand and a big bag of diamonds.
Exfil!
No one turn round, or they fucking get it.
It's gonna work.
Roman, it has got to fucking